Hello friends, welcome to Radhu's Food Court and Vlogs. Today I am going to present before you my favorite ice cream, blueberry flavored ice cream. For that, let's prepare the condensed milk first. For making the condensed milk, we need 1 cup of milk powder, half cup of powdered sugar or any sugar and a 1 tablespoon of ghee. We will blend together well along with 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. You should add warm water for better thick consistency. If you want thin condensed milk, you can add more water, and if you want thick, you should adjust the water accordingly. That's it. Our condensed milk is ready. Let's keep it in fridge for 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool. By the time, let's start preparing the ice cream. Let's prepare blueberry pulp. For that, I'm taking fresh blueberries. You can even take frozen blueberries if you are not getting fresh blueberries. Let's add some 2 tablespoons of water. Cover it and cook for 1 minute. Our blueberry pulp will be ready. We can add 1 tablespoon of sugar. After 1 minute, if you open and see, you can see the blueberries start getting pulpy. That's it. Let us take it off from the stove and allow it to cool. Once it is cool, you can transfer it into a mixer or hand blender and make the pulp from it. Now let us stain using a stainer. Okay, now I am taking thickened cream. This is full cream. We need 2 cup of full cream for making the whipping cream. You can notice my glass bowl is chill. I have kept the glass bowl in the freezer for 5 minutes before making the ice cream. Let's make the whipping cream. You should use a hand mixer. It's almost ready, and now let us add our condensed milk which we prepared earlier. That is also chilled one. Let mix it gently. Do not over mix. Now it's time to add our blueberry pulp. Let's give a quick mix. See the color. We're not adding any artificial color, food color, or anything. It's all natural, and I'm not adding any preservatives. Homemade is homemade, always healthy, right? So let us transfer it to a ice cream mold. You can use any freezer safe containers. Cover it and freeze it overnight. Let's open and see our ice cream. Ta-da! Looks so good and yummy. Let's transfer it into a glass. Wow, looks so tempting, right? I cannot wait to taste this ice cream. Do try it, guys, and enjoy a variety ice cream. Thank you for watching Radhu's Food Court. Have a nice day.